stop if you are still paying your housemaid, driver, or any domestic worker in cash. You need to watch this immediately. We are officially days away from January 1st, 2026, and after that, cash payments will no longer be legal recognized in Saudi Arabia. If you aren't using Masada, you are putting yourself at risk for major fines and legal disputes. Today, we are breaking down the new Saudi law labor regarding domestic workers, salaries, and other workers. The Ministry of Human Resource has made digital payments mandatory through the wage protection system. This is a massive shift for every household in the kingdom. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up those electronic transfers, why the government is making this change, and the common mistakes you must avoid to stay safe. Whether you are an employer or a worker, this update affects everyone. Before we dive into the step-by-step guide, make sure to hit the subscription button and turn on the notification. The law in Saudi Arabia are changing fast, so I'm here to keep you updated, and let's get started. So be very careful and also be ready to change to the new era that we call the digital era. Payments are going to be made digital, online. It will not be in the days where housemaids or workers were paid in cash. No. That has to stop effectively by 1st January 2026. And in this video still, I'm going to explain why it has to stop immediately with no reasonable doubt. Let me hope you like the video. So each and every payment to the worker, to the domestic worker in Saudi Arabia is going to be made digital, meaning you are supposed to have a bank account or a digital wallet. Let's get into the video. 1st January is the deadline for all the workers and domestic workers in Saudi Arabia. Have you heard about the new law that says all payments should be made digital? Even if it's a contract, it should be made digital. Let me tell you, if you don't follow the digital era, you are going to be a victim of the new Saudi Arabian payment law when it comes to salaries for the maids and for all the workers in Saudi Arabia. So if you don't want to be a victim whereby you are supposed to go in the digital era, this video is for you. I'm going to explain to you the different steps that you should take so that you are not a victim of this new trending era in Saudi Arabia. To remind you that in 2030, we are going to have the World Cup in Saudi Arabia. That means that the Saudi Arabia government has come up with different changes when it comes to working terms and conditions. Remember, when you are a member to host the World Cup, there are some things that you should change in the system. So if these changes are made in the Saudi Arabian payment law for the workers, for the domestic workers, will it be effective? Will it have an impact on the people, or it will not? In this video, I'll be explaining the advantages and disadvantages of each and everything. So stay tuned and take note of what is going to change and what you are supposed to do when it comes to the new law of payment in Saudi. First and foremost, we have the digital contract, a contract that will be signed by the employer and the employee, and it will be done online. In this video, I'll be explaining to you what you are supposed to do. This digital contract, yes, it's good. Will it favor us? Like I told you previously, that new changes have come up in the workers' salary payments. Yeah, new changes have come up. Why? Because of the 2030 football World Cup, something like that. Yeah, so if changes have come up, to me, I think this digital contract is very good as long as it can stay, as long as it can be there and it can be emphasized. If it's emphasized, that means we are going to stop having problems whereby some people are working and they're not paid. Recently, there are very many videos that have passed around saying that employers don't pay their employees their salary. So if we have a digital contract, that means everything is into line with the government, whereby they'll be tracing each and every employee that is not paid, because this contract is supposed to be signed by the employer and the employee. Yes, to some of the people it might be a disadvantage. Why? Because they have a language barrier. But all in all, even if you have a language barrier, we have some apps that can translate each and everything that is going to be done. So all the workers and employees that haven't heard about the new law, take note. This is a new law that is going to be effective by 1st January, meaning you are supposed to change and get into the digital era and leave the analog era behind, because depending on how the world is moving, we are in the AI era. Meaning if we are in the AI era, that means you have to adjust by all means, because that's what's trending. Yeah, it might be not good, it might have its advantages, but all in all, right now, all employers, whether the housemaids, whether the domestic workers, are supposed to sign a digital contract, and I'll show you step by step of how each and everything is being done. We have a digital wallet or a bank account. Recently, most workers like the housemaids were not supposed to have a bank account, and they didn't have a digital wallet. But right now, each and every worker, whether you are a domestic worker, whether you are a housemaid, whether you are a worker here in Saudi Arabia, you are expected to have a digital wallet or a bank account. Having that bank account, that means you are supposed to have an Iqama. An Iqama is a document that helps you to stay here and work here, and you can even start a business if you have an Iqama. Meaning that if you don't have an Iqama, you will not be able to join this new trend of payments of salaries in Saudi Arabia. This digital wallet or the bank account, there are very many bank accounts that have different offers. That means that you are expected to go and look, or you are expected to talk to your boss and see which bank account will favor you. Why? We are moving in the new era, so that means it's good for you to change. In my next clip, I'm going to show you step by step of how you are supposed to get this bank account or this digital wallet for future use, because we are remaining with just a few days so that that law can be implemented. By all means, let's pray that these new laws that have come up that favor us housemaids or the workers. What I'm only confused, or what I'm worried about, is that after 2030, it might be not in work, or it might not be relevant anymore. Why? When changes are done, when that World Cup is gone, that means there are no chances of Saudi Arabia getting another World Cup, maybe in the future. But if this thing is done, it's going to help us, period, all the workers and all the housemates. Though, like I said, that some have a barrier of language barrier, but all in all, let's pray that we all get our hopes and our happiness, so that we can join the digital era and also benefit from all these new changes. Like previously, there was the kafala system that was abolished. Like I explained to you in one of my videos, you'll be seeing that video. The kafala system was abolished. That means it was favorable for the workers, for the domestic workers. So let's pray that these new changes help us to stay in our line and help us to develop and to develop new working conditions for all housemaids and workers in Saudi Arabia. Have you subscribed to my channel? Let me hope so. If you haven't, kindly subscribe, like, and leave your comment in the comment section. I'll be glad to reply you and give me your opinion. What do you think? Do you think these new changes about the payment salary, of having a digital wallet, of having a bank account, of having a digital contract, are they good or they are not good? I'll be expecting your comment and I'll be ready to reply. My people, forgive me for not doing a screen record, for showing you step by step of how each and everything is supposed to be done. When I downloaded or when I installed the app on my phone, there was a number that I was supposed to fill and I didn't have that number. That number, my boss has it, and I was supposed to make this video as soon as possible. So I'm going to speak to you all. I'm going to tell you step by step of how you are supposed to get into the digital contract, get a bank wallet, or get a bank account in case you are ready for the new changes that are coming up. First and foremost, you go to Play Go Store. I'm going to put the sign here up. When you go to Play Store, there is look for the word Masada app. When you look for that app, you can either find it in the app or you can find it in the website. Step 1 says download that app and it goes into your phone. When you put it into your phone, get that Masada account. Step 2 says go to the contract, manage or salary section. Yes. Step 3 says select your worker from the list. Step 4 says choose your payment method. You can use your mother card or digital wallet. Step 5 says enter the salary account. Crucial. This is a very important note that you should look at before you even save or before you even allow any transaction. If you are deducting from a loan or adding a bonus, make sure to specify the reason in the box provided by the app. Step 6 says confirm the transfer. Both you and your worker will receive an SMS confirming immediately. I think you see what I was telling you, that we are in the digital era. You don't have to sit there and wait to give your telephone call. No, this digital era, everything is moving with digital as soon as possible. As soon as you finish applying, the different SMS that will come in showing that they have accepted your account and you are ready to apply for the digital wallet. You are ready to apply for the digital contract. Then for the bank account, you are expected to move with your ICAMA, with your passport photos, and also to move with your boss. Choose a bank that will work for you, a bank that is near your reach. Yes, when you choose that bank, your boss will lead you there and you will go and open up a bank account whereby your payments will be made online and you will receive a message from the bank that you have been paid. Even if you use the Masada app, still the payments will be there and everything will have to be done by you. We are not in that era, the analog era, whereby they used to pay us by paper. You are supposed to sign, like I showed in my video when it was starting, that we are supposed to sign for our salaries. But right now, everything is going to be done digital. I think this is good for us, guys. Yes, sometimes change might be bad, but sometimes when you look at the other side of the coin, I think it's a good improvement when it comes to new laws and regulations in Saudi Arabia, because most of the laws are favoring us, the domestic workers, aka the kadamas or the shagalas. Like I said, don't forget to tell me what you think about the new adjustments in the changing Saudi Arabian payment salary law when it comes to the housemaids and the workers. So kindly subscribe, like and share. Like I said, it's high time we start moving with the new trends of AI or with the new trends of digital era. Are you part of it or you are not part of it? Let me hope this video is very useful for you, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. We meet in my next video. Before I forget, my name's Suzy. On this channel I share my lifestyle, my activities, my travel, my vlogs, whatever I do in Saudi Arabia. I'm a Ugandan and I've been working in Saudi Arabia for a while, and I'll make one of the videos explain to you how many years I've worked in Saudi Arabia. My hugs and kisses to you all. Thank you for your amazing support. Bye bye for now.